In this video, I will show you how to average values between two numbers in Excel like this. So let's get started. In this Excel sheet, I have some order numbers and their amounts in these columns. Now I want to average all the orders whose total amount is between $50 and $100. We can use the Excel AVERAGEIFS function to calculate the average between two numbers. The AVERAGEIFS function returns the average of all the cells in the range that meet multiple criteria. We can specify more than one pair of range and criteria arguments to this function. To average the values between two numbers, I will average all the cells that are greater than or equal to $50 and less than or equal to $100. Let's type an equal sign in the target cell to start the formula. Now type AVERAGEIFS followed by an opening bracket. Since we want to average the total order amount, select the amount cell range as the average range argument. Let's select the amount cell range as the first criteria range argument. Type the greater than or equal to sign followed by the number 50 in the double quotes as the first criteria argument. Select the same amount range as the second criteria range argument. Type the less than or equal to sign followed by the number 100 in the double quotes as the second criteria argument. Type the closing bracket of the AVERAGEIFS function. Overall, this formula means average all the amount cells that are greater than or equal to $50 and less than or equal to $100. Hit the enter key to complete the formula. As you can see, we now have the average of the cells that are between two numbers. Instead of hard coding the values directly into the formula, we can also reference the cells containing the values. For example, in this Excel sheet, I have start and end numbers in these cells. Let's modify the formula to reference these cell values instead of the hard-coded numbers by appending them to the greater than or equal to sign and less than or equal to sign respectively using the ampersand character like this. As you can see, we now have the average between two numbers given in these cells. It also means that whenever we change the start or end number, the average will be calculated automatically without changing the formula like this. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.